Hi everyone, and welcome back to the shipping and receiving course. In the previous video, we introduced you to a company called Flagship, and they are an authorized reseller of some of the common courier companies out there. The last video was introduction. So today we're going to do how to get a courier quote from Flagship, which is pretty easy. So from the home page, you're going to click on Get a Courier Quote, and it's going to take you to this screen here. So it's going to populate you as the shipper or whatever company you're with or how you signed up. So it's going to populate the shipping address. And then to the right of that is the receiver or the person that the shipment is going to. So if you wanted to, let's try out. So we're going to do some shipment here. So let's try this one here. So we're just going to pick a point. I'm just for demonstration purposes to show you how to do this, how simple it is. This one is going to someone in Winnipeg, for example. So if you put it, or not Winnipeg, but Manitoba, for example. As soon as you put in the postal code and press enter, it'll automatically populate for you where the city is. So you don't have to worry about that. As long as you know the postal code, you put that in and it'll populate the city for you and the province. And this particular shipment is telling us that it's a residential shipment, which there are different rules for residential shipments because they usually have a surcharge or something of that nature. So you're going to click that button. Yes, it is a residential shipment if you know that for sure. And then if you scroll down, it's going to have some options. It's going to ask you when you want the shipment to go out. Usually with Flagship, you can't go out more than, let's say, a week or so. So let's say you're planning on shipping it out on the Friday. If you know for sure that you want the pickup to be scheduled, if you're going to be doing that, you would click that button, but normally just unclick that until you're sure. Then you just put in your reference number, so you can put in any number that you want regarding the shipment. And then you will tell it, does it require a signature? And normally residential don't require a signature as long as they have a porch or it's a safe place, they will just put it on the front porch. If it's going to a business or something where it could get lost, it's better if you say requires a signature on delivery. In some cases, if you know there's little kids there or whatever, you'd say requires an adult signature, so the driver would make sure that the person signing for it would be over 18. We're just going to unclick no signature here for a bit. There's no special handling that we're aware of. And then if you go over to here, this is where it's asking about the package information. So let's say you had one package, or if you had two, you would click two. It would give you more options to put in your length, your width, your height, and your weight in the description. So let's say for argument's sake, we just have one package. Let's say the length is 18 by 18 by 24, let's say, and it weighs 20 pounds. So that's what you would put in there. And then you scroll down. Normally insurance is if something happens, you'd get $100, but if you wanted to insure it for more, then you would click that and then you would get some available options. But for simplicity, we're going to leave that and then you're going to click next. And here is where Flagship will give you different options for shipping this. So if you can scroll down, so it's giving you options what it would cost if you went with Campar, if you use GLS, ground, you use Purolator. So various different options. That's the beauty of Flagship, is that you're able to get a variety of options in one place, and that's the whole point. So you're able to pick and choose the best one. So if you're going for a cost, you would go by which one was cheaper. If you're going for something that needs to be expressed, you would go by. So it's completely up to you. So say we wanted it there for a certain period of time, it would give you the rate, the freight rate, your surcharge, and then since it's going to a residential, there's usually a residential surcharge with Purolator. And they've indicated that there, the taxes. So it gives you an idea of how much the shipment's going to cost via that particular service level. and then you would just leave it at that. You would take that quote, tell your customer it's going to cost X amount of dollars, and then if it's approved, you would come back later on and then just convert it over to a shipping. So pretty simple to get a quote on using Flagship. So see you on the next video.